Visited, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for fresh videos. So friends, I'm writing the program. So here is include stdio.h, yes, include conio.h, yes, include stdlib.h, void main. I'm writing here clear screen, CLRSCR, clear screen. Now I'm writing file pointer, file fp, opening the file fp equal using fopen function, fopen, file name is suppose file dot file1 dot txt with write mode, and using putw function, putw here, putw function takes two argument. First is integer, number, next file pointer. First number is integer number, write into this file, and second the pointer, file pointer, where the number will be written. Okay, so here suppose integer number is suppose 567, and the file pointer is fp. Now f close fp get sets, saving the file, compiling, success, and run the program. The value is written to the file. Okay, now we can display the value using getw function. Okay, so here I just cutting these lines here. Suppose I am taking another variable in ch variable. Okay, and the file will be open with not write mode, it will be read mode. Next, reading the file ch getw file pointer. Okay, getw this it has only one argument. Okay, getw file pointer. This file pointer, um, where from where the file will be written. Okay, now um, displaying the variable printf percentage d ch f close fp, saving, compiling again, success, and run the program. So this is 567. The value is displayed. In this way, we can use putw and getw function. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.